Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. If you are looking for easy and creative ideas of how to personalize shipping boxes, you're going to love this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do sublimation on shipping boxes. And for this project, we're going to use a printer with sublimation ink. I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. Sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, butcher paper, shipping boxes. I ordered these ones from Amazon. To transfer the design, we're going to need a heat press. I'm going to be using my HTV Round Auto Press. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. To work with the design, I like to use the free graphic design program Inkscape. You can use any graphic design program, but if you would like to use Inkscape, I invite you to download it from inkscape.org. On my channel, you can find several tutorials on how to use this program. Before we start with the design, let's measure the boxes. This one measures 8 by 7. That is the area where I'm going to transfer the design. You can also customize the size of the box if you wish. Open Inkscape, go to File, click on Document Properties, and here we're going to select the size of the document we're going to be printing. I'm going to select letter size, and in orientation I'm going to select landscape. Close the window when you finish. I'm going to draw a square with the measurements of the box. Click on the square, then draw a square on the canvas. Click on the first arrow, and here we're going to change it to inches. Then we're going to input the measurements, 8 by 7. And this is the area where I'm going to be creating the design. I'm going to change the color. The background for this design should be transparent or white. I'm leaving it gray so you can see it. But remember, before printing, you should remove this square or change it to white. Now the designs to sublimate on these boxes should be in dark colors. So the design that I'm going to create right now is going to be black. I'm going to insert text. Click on the A, then click on the canvas and start typing. You can use your own logo if you already have one. Select the text if you wish to change the font and click on this T. And there you're going to see the list of fonts that you already have downloaded on your computer. Select your font. Now, if you already know the name of the font, you can click up here and type the name of the font. I'm going to link the fonts used in this tutorial in the video description below. Now I'm going to resize it. And like that, I'm going to keep on adding text. Now I'm going to select all the layers, all the text, and I'm going to align it center horizontally. Now I'm going to select the text only, right click and group. Now to enhance the design, I'm going to add a black background behind the bottom text. I'm going to place the text on the side and I'm going to draw an oval. Now I'm going to duplicate the rectangle. I'm going to place one aside. I'm going to select these two layers, go to Path and click on Intersection. Now I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to bring the rectangle back and place it behind the black layer. Now I'm going to bring the text back. I'm going to send it to the front. And now I'm going to change the color of the text on the bottom. I'm going to change it to white. This is an example, but you can create your own logo, or if you already have one, use that one. Now we're going to print it. Go to File, click on Print, select your sublimation printer, go all the way to the bottom and select More Settings. Select the document size, in this case letter size. In orientation, I'm going to select landscape. On paper type, I'm going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select high. Now go to more options, and here you're going to select mirror image. Click OK, then print. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. Now we're going to align the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. You can use any heat press. I am using my HTV Rond auto press machine. It looks beautiful. Remember, the design has to have dark colors like black, dark blue, dark brown, etc. I buy these boxes on Amazon. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.